Oh my God, I don't know what to say right now, but I just want to begin with thanking whoever subscribed to my channel, whoever liked my video. If you know that you supported me in anything, if you know that you commented on this channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Now, in return, I will show you everything that I used, every tool that I used, every trick that I used to get my first 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a period of 1 month. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to view my channel, my name is Ben, and on this channel I create videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow YouTube channel to the next level, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe and turn on notifications so that every time I upload you get notified. Now, as I said before, I got my first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a period of 1 month. In that period, I got a strike. Okay, so by the time I was hitting my 4,000 watch hours, I was having a strike on my channel. And if you hit 4,000 watch hours and you have 1,000 subscribers with a strike, you cannot monetize, you cannot apply. If you apply, they will literally reject you. Okay, so I had to wait for 3 extra months for the strike to expire so that I can actually apply. Now, when you combine the first month and then these 3 months of the strike, it adds up to 4 months. So it has taken me 4 months, but in actual sense, it was supposed to be 1 month. Now, let's first talk about the tools that I use to gain my monetization threshold. I gained 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in my first month of doing YouTube videos. And that sounds like impossible to some people, but it is very possible. In fact, I gained over 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours, not 7 days, but 7 hours. I gained 3,600 watch hours. That is something that sounds unbelievable, but I'm going to explain to you everything. All right, my first tool that I will recommend and my first tool that I will tell you, the tool that helped me to gain my watch hours, it was Restream. Restream, it is a big deal. It is a very big deal. Restream, it is something that I wish every YouTuber knew about because I gained these watch hours very fast. I couldn't believe myself. It was like, oh my gosh, like I got 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours. This is something that sounds impossible. And to me, at first, it sounded like it is impossible. I was like dreaming, but I got it using Restream. The second feature that I use, it is vidIQ. I understand you heard about vidIQ or you know vidIQ, but there are some features that you don't really know, and these features are so important. These features are found in the same vidIQ that you know, but you've not been using these features or you've been taking these features for granted. Now, I'm going to take you in a screen recording and show you these particular features that can help you to get subscribers very fast and to optimize your videos for views, okay? All right, right now I'm in vidIQ and this is my homepage. This is how it looks like. Now, vidIQ has a lot of options and features that are so helpful to a growing YouTuber. Let me start with this amazing option, which is right here, today's growth plan. Now, vidIQ gives you growth plans on a daily basis. Okay, you will get here a lot of plans and a lot of actually ideas on how you can grow your YouTube channel on a daily basis. It actually analyzes your entire YouTube channel and it knows what you have to do to actually go to the next level. Now, let's go to optimization. All right, let's use this particular video right here for what I want to show you. Now, this is a video I uploaded and the title of this video is Before You Apply for Monetization, Watch This. vidIQ has suggested for me another title that is better than my own title. And this title is How to Get Your YouTube Channel Monetized Fast. If you know that you're not good at composing titles this is for you. Okay, all right, let's go to the next feature that I also use, and it is so amazing. It is about tags. Now, vidIQ recommends you tags that you can use in your videos, tags that are trending, tags that can make your video go viral. Now, each number you see on every tag here, it shows you how much engaging that tag is. Let's go back and I show you something. We're going to ideas, okay? Now, when we come to ideas, this vidIQ also give you video ideas. You can never run out of video ideas if you have this app on your mobile phone or your computer. Now, when you look at these ideas, how I make viral AI YouTube automation videos in 2025. If you don't like this idea, you just tap on dismiss. Okay, and then another idea comes in. Increase watch time using these 6 cards in your video editing. And when you look up here, vidIQ is telling me view prediction is high for this particular idea. So I can literally save this, okay? So if you want to check the ideas you saved, you just tap on saved right here. And then you go through the ideas you saved. And if I want to make a video about these ideas, I can come back and pick an idea and make a video about that particular idea. Now, the third tool that I use to monetize my YouTube channel, this tool is so important. It is even more useful than the previous tools that I mentioned before, because this tool, you can use it to get watch hours and subscribers, and after monetization, you can use this same tool to get more views. And remember, when you get more views after monetization, it literally means that you're earning more revenue or earning more money. Now, this tool is Google Trends. I used Google Trends and I realized a very big difference before and after using Google Trends. And I'm going to take you into a screen recording and show you how you can optimize your content and titles to actually get more views, okay? All right, let's first go into a screen recording and come back with another tool. With Google Trends, you go to Google and then you search for Google Trends. And this is it. You just tap here and then you choose Chrome. Now, you can use Google Trends to know what people are searching for, what people want to watch. And this is how you do it, okay? Now, you come here. For example, I'm going to search how to cook white rice. It's now showing me the results of Uganda. So I have to actually tap here where you see Uganda, or it will show your country where you come from. So you tap and change from country to worldwide, because we are making videos for the whole world. Now, after changing to worldwide, you scroll down, and down here you will see which countries are searching for how to cook white rice. On number 1, we have United States, we have Australia, we have Canada, we have United Kingdom. Now, this works also when you get monetized. If you want to get a higher CPM, you can use this to actually target the audience of US and UK. As we all know, these are the audiences that have a higher CPM. Now, it doesn't stop here. You can also compare topics and know which kind of a topic does people want to watch mostly. All right, this is how you do it. You scroll up and then you'll see right here where you see compare right here. You tap on compare and then you type here a topic you want to compare with how to cook white rice. Now, let me compare it with how to cook brown rice. All right, here we go. Now, when you look at this graph, you realize that how to cook brown rice has a higher searching volume. All right, let's go down here and observe it better. So you can see that in United States, 52% are searching on how to cook white rice and 48% are searching on how to cook brown rice. In Canada, the biggest number is searching on how to cook brown rice. In United Kingdom, the highest number is searching on how to cook brown rice. So you can use this to know what people are searching for. And it doesn't stop there. It gives you related topics that are trending. So you can use this amazing tool to get trending video ideas. Now we are tool number 4. And this tool, it is an AI. I've been using this AI to generate the descriptions for my videos, the captions for my thumbnails, the most mind-grabbing captions for your thumbnails. You can use this AI to generate them. I've been using this AI to write scripts for my videos. I just asked this AI with an idea. For example, write me a script of a video about how to earn more money on YouTube, and then it writes that script, and I follow that script to actually make a video about that topic. This is ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to take you in a screen recording and also show you practically how to use this AI to come out with the best videos for your YouTube channel. Now, with ChatGPT, you go to Google Play Store or App Store and download it, and this is how it looks like after downloading it. All right, let's open it. Now, this is so amazing. I love this app. For this case, I'm going to ask this app to write for me a script. Now, I'm going to ask this app to write for me a script on how to bake cakes. All right. I've asked this AI to write for me a script for a YouTube video titled How to Bake Cakes. Now, this is the script as you see it. Now, when you look at this script, this is a title that this AI has generated for you. The title that it knows it is the most amazing, engaging title. And this is how the script begins. Hey there, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'm going to show you how to bake delicious cakes from scratch. You can literally use this AI to write scripts for your video. Any kind of idea that you have, you just tell it, write for it a script, and you make a video alongside that script. Now, it doesn't stop at only scripts. You can also ask this AI to write descriptions. You can ask this AI to write captions for the thumbnail. This AI can help you to come up with any kind of idea. If you found this video helpful, like it, smash that like button right away. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if you want to gain watch hours. As I said before, I got over 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours. And you can do it as well after watching this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.